Now we are talking about the RØDECaster Pro podcast production studio. It is, in my opinion, the best, by far, the best mixer ever. Just straight up. I have never used a better mixer than this mixer. It is just overall the best mixer of all time. I have it as a centerpiece here in my studio that I use to control every aspect of my live streams, of my broadcasts, of all my videos, of all my podcasts. It's all right here, and I freaking love it. I love it, love it, love it. And right now I'm using channel 1 to control the microphone you're listening to me on right now. So right now you're listening to the way I sound with this particular mixer, with the processing on, with the RØDECaster, with the Rode Procaster microphone. You go ahead and select a channel. So I'm going to select channel 1, which is where this microphone's plugged in. You can go over here to, let me just scooch forward a little bit. You can go over here into the menu, and you can actually choose which microphone you're using. But I'd say like the best feature of this mixer is the audio processing. So with the audio processing, you can customize it to infinity. High pass filter, noise gating to get rid of room noise, de-esser, so those annoying S's get out of the way, your compressor, you name it, it's all right here, right? But the most impressive part of the processing is the effects, where you have an exciter for your voice and a big bottom for your voice. So listen to the difference between me talking into this mic. So right now you've been listening to me with processing on. Now we're going to turn the processing off. Are you guys ready? I just want you to listen right now. Do I sound better or worse with the processing on and off? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. You guys let me know. You make a note to yourself. Processing is currently on with the RØDECaster Pro. Now I'm going to turn processing off. This is the way it sounds with the processing off. Okay, this is the RØDECaster Pro with the processing off. Now I'm going to turn the processing back on. Now I'm talking with processing on in this mixer. This is all real time. This is not edited later to sound better or worse. This is just the way it sounds in real time. This is the processing on. And then I'm going to turn the processing off. Now the processing is off on this microphone. Which one sounds better to you? Think about it. I use processing on every microphone I plug into this mixer. And sometimes I use lighter processing, sometimes I use heavier processing. It just depends on the microphone I'm plugging in and what the nature of the mic is. But I like that big, beefy, broad sound. I like the big bottom. I like to have a big sound, big noisy sound from the microphone. That's just my preference. So the RØDECaster Pro also has, as you can see, 4 channels. So you can do 1, 2, 3, 4 microphones on this mixer at the same time. It records in real time. Hit the recording button, it stops recording in real time, which is great. So you can record locally to the mixer, or you can record through your computer. It's all up to you. But wait, there's more. Also, you can pull in audio from your computer if you want people to hear that. So, for example, if I have sound effects that I'm playing here, so let me just play a sound effect on my board. You heard that, right? So that was just playing through the computer audio. I'm going to mute that. And then also you can run in your phone or an external device like another computer, and it's got Bluetooth functionality here on the mixer. You can plug in 4 sets of headphones to this mixer. 4 people wanted to be listening to the audio in real time with you, cool. Plus there's a headphone jack in the front, which is what I use. But wait, there's more. Also, there's sound pads that you can customize and trigger to play any sound you could ever want through the mixer right over here. And they're adding a patch where these sound pads can actually control certain elements of your broadcast and do hotkeys, switching scenes and what have you. But wait, there's more. So with this mixer, you can also do speaker output. So for example, I have these 2 Fostex studio monitors. I can not only listen on my headphones, but I can also listen on my speakers and just easily control that with one knob right here on the side. So this mixer is absolutely insane. It is the best mixer for the money on planet Earth, in my opinion, for content creators, for people working in a home studio, for people that want to do a podcast. Just overall, it is the best mixer for streamers, podcasters, YouTubers, everybody, work from home professionals, you name it.